Do you actually need a qualified electrician? Can't you just do it yourself? Well, I suppose, what's the worst that can happen? If you just do the painting yourself and maybe you don't mask it up or you just get it paint everywhere, it's just going to look a mess. I suppose later on you could call a painter and decorator to sort it out, but that's not too bad, I suppose. With a builder, yeah, I suppose you could build that wall yourself. It might not last long if you don't know what you're doing, or it might sort of crumble or fall down, not stand up to the weather and probably look a mess. But I suppose, yeah, you could do it yourself. Could you do carpentry yourself? Yeah, I suppose you could be a chippy for the day. You could do all the architrave and all the fit the cupboards, maybe even fit the worktops. You probably ain't got the right tools, but you could maybe borrow them off someone else and give it a go. Watch a YouTube video. Again, it might look a mess, and well, you'll know it's a mess because you did it yourself. But yeah, I suppose you could give it a go. Could you fit a radiator yourself? Yeah, sure. What's the worst that can happen? It's going to leak and you take it off and do it again. Probably not a gas hob or a boiler though. That's carbon monoxide poisoning. You probably could kill yourself. So I'll give the plumbers a shout out there. Yeah, you're probably going to need a plumber for your gas engineering. Now, could you do the electrics yourself? Yeah, sure. The thing is, if it's not going to work, if you've done it wrong, it's always going to be protected by an RCD, if you know what an RCD is, and it's going to trip off. And that's if you've maybe installed the right size cable. So what's the worst that can happen? Catch fire, burn down? You could buy a new house, but can you buy a new member of your family? Get a Sparky, mate.